G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, warm jigger to another rip roaring episode. Today we're going to be looking at where to begin with a bathroom reno. So all of the walls have been pulled out and this has been started by an owner builder. We're going to do a walkthrough and just have a look at a few little problems that we're going to have to adapt the new house to or the new layout to, and anything that we need to fix on the way and how we can go about doing that. So the very first thing that we need to do here is obviously clean under the floor. Get rid of all of our rubbish, clean it all up, and then we can have a good look at what's going on around here. So now we've cleared all of underneath the floor. We've taken about 18 buckets, including these two, out to get rid of, and you can see that it's all cleaned up. But there's still a few things that we need to be looking at. This is after 18 buckets. You can still see some bits around. Lots of rubbish, lots of bits of tile we got taken out. And you've got to be careful. Maybe sometimes there's asbestos and other things that are under here. You can see at the back there's some ducting. We need to be removing all of the ducting as we go. If you've got ducting under your floors and later on you're thinking about putting an in-roof heating system, ducted system, then make sure you remove any ducting that's underneath the floors. Or if you've got ducting under the floors that needs to be fixed, this is the time to be doing it. Otherwise, rodents get into it and start making nests, and then you get these really horrible smells throughout the entire house. So when you've got access, get it done then. Now that this has all been cleaned up and finished, what we're going to do is just going to go through the structure. I can already see a couple of stumps that are cracked. There's some noggins and bits and pieces in the walls and in the roof. So what I'll do is I'll talk to you about them as we're moving along, and I'll explain to you why we need to take care of them now, rather than leave them and hope for the best.